this is the first three-story building in the whole southeast Nigeria. I mean, not only southeast, south and southeast Nigeria. Chief Igwe Kalu Ogba is the one that built it. He is the first person to introduce Okoroko in the whole southeast Nigeria, Africa as a whole.
This is part of the way we mark our New Yam Festival. You know that the New Yam Festival marks the beginning of another farming season and like end of the year celebration. In Igbo land, in Abiriba, this is our new year. This is Ekembo, that is the new year of in Abiriba. That's what we are celebrating.
Sir, when are they going to eat the yam? Because in other parts of Igbo land, they gather the king, the Eze, we cut the yam, eat it, everybody will go home and eat. But here, I don't really understand.
Okay, so here we do the same thing, but we do it household by household.
Okay.
Yeah, every household you have to cook the yam and make sure every member of the family eats. We don't do the one you come out and the king will bring out and people will come and come. Rather, we do it where every household must do their own yam celebration and eat it and celebrate.
Hello guys, this is Creative Law TV. We're live and direct in Abiriba, Ohafia local government of Abia State. And when you look, we are in the residence of Mayor of Ohafia local government of Abia State, who is from Abiriba here. You know, Abiriba have been celebrating New Yam Festival throughout last week to this today. They are in festive period, which is New Yam Festival. You know, every community, every region, everybody and how they celebrate their culture. This is how Abiriba celebrate their own. And today we are privileged to be here. You know, we promote culture, tradition, our people, and what are we when we are not promoting our culture? So today we are in Abiriba to promote their culture, to showcase it so that you see how our culture are beautiful and you understand. So this is the palace, the residence of Ohafia local government, and we are going with him as he goes village to village to celebrate with them, to pay homage, to do the normal cultural practices. Let's go with him. You will see and witness how it goes. What the mayor is going to do today is what we call Igbari Korondi. Those who is from Abiriba will know what I said, and other people will not know. But all of us will learn it today. We will know it today because that's what we promote. When they promote it, you see it. You know, this is what these people call it. This is how they do it. That is our work. So Igbari Korondi, I have never seen it before, but today I will say it. Let's go.
My name is His Royal Highness Eze Honorable Ejibe Obua Alo, Eze Ibe, Omesio 1 of Ibe, of Agweke Abiriba Kingdom.
Okay, so what is happening? What are you guys celebrating?
Thank you, my brother. Today is what we call in Abiriba the Ibari Ikoro Ndi. This thing comes up after ushering in the new year, because since the traditional new year in Abiriba, so this is the Kembo. After entering the new year, which is the September, then the New Yam Festival follows. After the old one has gone, like we do during January 1st, that's the English calendar, what we call the New Year. So in Igbo land, in Abiriba, this is our New Year. This is Sekembo, that is the New Year of in Abiriba. That's what we are celebrating. Like we celebrate 1st January.
Okay.
That's the English calendar. Then the Igbo calendar, it is the one we are doing now.
Okay, and it's the same thing as Iriji Waji.
Yes, this is the same thing as Iriji, because we are doing the Iriji, the New Yam Festival, the New Year, and that is when we cut the yam to usher in the New Year. That's what we are doing.
Okay, what will you say to Abiriba people who are in diaspora, those that don't come home, and those, yes, what can we say to Abiriba people?
We thank everybody that have here celebrating with us. We thank all of you, and at the same time, we are calling our brothers that are in diaspora. So please, when it is like this, next time they should try to come home, so that they will showcase even their children, to enable them know exactly what is happening in their hometown where they come from.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
The mayor has to look at them. Oh,
Community
Ahi Abeke. Abiriba. Ahi Abeke. Abiriba. Anachoke. Man. Yeah. I said, I don't know when I. Anachoke. Man. Anachoke. Man. Ahi Abeke. Abiriba. Ahi Abeke. Abiriba. Ahi Okola. Ahi Okola. So what we are doing today is unique. It's part of Abiriba culture and tradition. This is part of the way we mark our New Yam Festival. You know that the New Yam Festival marks the beginning of another farming season and like end of the year celebration.
Okay.
So what we are doing now is that the Ikoro, which is peculiar to this side of Igbo land.
Okay.
We also find it in our neighboring communities. The Ikoro is what we use to make announcements. If there is any danger, that's what you do. Everybody will hear it and come out. And it's also used for celebration. So as part of the New Yam Festival celebration, we dance the Ikoro. And we also use that opportunity to appreciate the elders. That's why each of the communities we go, you see the men and the women. So all their sons and daughters, both home and abroad, who come around, will appreciate them by giving them gifts as part of that celebration.
Okay. So this is how you guys does it every year.
It's every year. First, second week of September every year. Okay, my name is Chief Elanya Ojo Kalo. By the grace of God, I'm also the mayor of Ahafia local government.
So, sir, when are they going to eat the yam? Because in other part of Igbo land, they gather the king, the Eze, we cut the yam, he eat it, everybody will go home and eat. But here, I don't really understand.
Okay, so here we do the same thing, but we do it household by household.
Okay.
Yeah, every household you have to cook the yam and make sure every member of the family eats. We don't do the one you come out and the king will bring out and people will come and come. Rather, we do it where every household must do their own yam celebration and eat it and celebrate.
Okay, you guys don't do general one?
No, where everybody comes out together in one place. No.
Okay.
So we deepen it, not just we do this form of celebration. You check, you will see yam there. Part of the gifts you can give when you come is the new yam. Okay. Everywhere we went, you see that there is new yam there.
Yeah.
But we also do individual celebration, which is actually done at
home. Okay, this is just like thanking God for bringing the new yam.
Exactly.
So
to be alive to see the new yam.
Yeah.
And also pray that He keeps you to see the next one again.
Okay.
So we are an organized community. Every time we have a calendar that comes from the Nachoken Council. That calendar specifies the days that there will be different activities. If you were here on Saturday, that was 2 days ago, that was the market day for preparation of this. We have an unusual market on that day. That market stretches from here down to the part of those areas where these places are not normally market, but on that day, almost the whole community become market. People come from all over the east to come and sell their wares because that is when our people go out for shopping, the local people. Okay. Especially those that do contribution, this weekly and monthly contribution. Yeah. It is now that it is shared. This is like the Christmas. When they share the money, people can now go out for shopping. After that, we do this one we did today. I mentioned to you about the Obina dance, which happened early this morning. Then from tomorrow and next until you get into burials, weddings and so on, we make sure that there is no confusion so that whatever we are doing it in unison.
Okay, you mentioned that dance. Can you throw more light about the dance?
Okay, so the dance is called Obina dance, and it is danced by there's a community called Amanta, the maidens, the young women That dance used to be the synosure of everyone because that is where young adults who wants to get married, they go there to see if they can find somebody. And one of the unique things about that dance is that in the olden days, they used to dance it with only beats and the West. So you have a look, if you see somebody you like, then you can actually then make a commitment. And the commitment is by tying small armor, which is like rope, and to show that you have taken that one so that any other person will go for another person. So that is part of the culture that we celebrate every of this New Yam Festival period.
Okay, okay. So that means if you want a wife, you need to go to that dance, that occasion, that very day, and pick someone you like.
Yes.
Wow. So you guys are trying to bring it back.
Yes. It has never gone away. It has always been there. But we keep reviving it and making sure that it's something that we celebrate.
Okay, okay. So what are you telling the Abiriba people, those that didn't come home?
Well, I want to tell them that Abiriba is peaceful. We are going around, everybody doing his own thing, and we are doing all the festivals that we are supposed to celebrate to mark this year's New Year festival. So I pray that those who didn't come this time, by next year they will come. And by the time they come, they will also see that we are having improvement across Abiriba as a result of the God-given governor of Abia State, Dr. Alex Yoma Oti, who has transformed the state, including Abiriba.
Okay. So, but sir, before I forget, the last one, is it compulsory that everybody must go around like the way you are going?
Well, so it's not compulsory. Depending on your capacity, yeah. But as a grown-up man, you must do for your community. There are 17 communities in Abiriba.
Okay.
So if you can't afford to do any other thing, you must do this for your community. But for those who have the capacity, they can actually go around like we are going today.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
God bless you.
So this is culture and tradition, and this is how it happens in Abiriba. This is the first three-story building in the whole southeast Nigeria. I mean, not only southeast, south and southeast Nigeria. Chief Igwe Kalu Ogba is the one that built it. He is the first person to introduce Oporoko in the whole southeast Nigeria, Africa as a whole. When you talk about Oporoko business, Chief Igwe Kalu Ogba is the one that started it, and his name is written in the history that cannot be forgotten. So we can't talk about the small London and the beauty of this town without mentioning the Igwe Kalu Ogba's castle, the first person that built three-story building in the whole southeast and south Nigeria. If not Nigeria as a whole self, this first three-story building, this is massive, man. This is culture. This is tradition. This is how Abiriba people do their own culture and tradition. When you come, you know, this is a time of Iriji, and that is how in every Igbo community, in every Igbo land, September, October is a time of eating yam, cutting of yam, thanking God for the new yam God gave them, or you know, that's how every village celebrate them, and this is Abiriba style. So if you don't know how Abiriba do it, this is how they do it, and that's why we are here to show it to the world. This is culture, and everybody's culture must be respected. I really enjoyed how they were doing it. Other communities do their own once, and you can go to your village and begin to eat. But Abiriba people, this is how they do their own. You have to just come and greet them. You can drop something in the box. That's how they do it. And I really enjoyed this movement. This is massive, man. Don't forget to share this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.